Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a scalping strategy that you can use to grow your small account as a beginner. Okay, this strategy you can use it on volatility index, you can use it on currency pairs. Okay, so as a beginner, you need to keep it simple for yourself. You need to keep everything simple. All right, even if it's difficult, try as much as possible to make it simple for yourself. Okay, and that's what I'm here for, to give you a simple strategy that you can use to make money while you are learning. Okay, so make sure to listen and listen very carefully, and make sure to watch the video to the end so that you don't miss any powerful information I'll be sharing with you guys. Okay, so this is a scalping strategy like I earlier said, and it works best on the 5 minutes time frame, but you can also go to the higher time frame to know the direction of the market, like the daily or the weekly time frame, or if possible the 1 hour time frame works. It works well for this strategy too. Okay, for your analysis. Okay, make sure to know the direction of the market before you think of taking any entries. Okay, so that is what you need to know. All right, now I will go ahead and explain how the strategy work. Then after that, I will be sharing with you guys the setup. Okay, now here on the 5 minutes time frame, this is how you want to do your analysis before you take entry. Now, first thing is that whenever price is above our this white line here is the 200 moving average, right? So whenever price is above it, you want to be looking for buy trades only, and whenever price is below it, you want to be looking for sell trades only. All right, it's as simple as that. All right, so with that being said, now the next thing you want to do is that, so as you can see here, price is above our white line, right? Now you want to be looking for buy trades only, right? Now this is the condition you need to wait for on the indicator window here before you take your buy. You want to see this red and green line here get to our oversold level. It must be touching this line here, this 15 level line here, before you take your buy. All right, so once it gets here and you see this green or the red line touching this level, to look for your buy. And this is what you want to wait for before you take the buy. You want to make sure that this green here crosses above the red line. All right, so once you see the crossing, immediately you go in for your buy, right? You go in for your buy. This is a scalping strategy, right? And scalping, you don't need to stay in the market for long. So immediately it gets in and you see the line moves to our overbought level. All right, when the line touches the 85 level, you exit the market. It's as simple as that. You exit the market, you look for the next opportunity, you wait for the next opportunity to present itself. Again, you can see the line touching this area here, which is this area, and you can see the movement to the upside, which is this movement. So immediately it gets to this level, you exit the market, you wait for your next opportunity, and you can see again it got back to our level, and you can see the crossing. So immediately it crosses and start making the move towards the upside, you go in. All right, immediately you see this green line crosses above the red, you just go in. You don't need to wait for anything, you go in for your buy, right? You go in for your buy and you hold till it gets to our over bought level, then you exit the market, right? It's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. And you see the movement here. This strategy has 80% win rate. Okay, it has 80% win rate and it's very good for scalping the market. Okay, so make sure you apply risk management. All right, so let's say for example you take your buy around this area. The stop loss is supposed to be, like, it depends on what you are willing to risk. Okay, let's say for example you have a $10 account, then you should be risking, let's say, $2 per trade or $1 per trade, right? You should be risking $1. So immediately you take your sell, you place your stop loss, it should be $1 or $2, and then you target for either $4 or as you wish to target. Okay, so make sure you apply all these rules and you are good to go. Okay, now that is the buy example for this strategy. Let me show you guys a sell example and how it works. Okay, so now you can see that you can see that price has crossing below our white line here. All right, as you can see here on the main chart. All right, so now you wait for the indicators here to get to the overbought level. You want to see either the green or the red touching the 85 level line here, this red line here, and then you look for your sell opportunity. And as you can see right here on this area, you can see the green line is touching the oversold level, sorry, the overbought level here, right? So it means that the condition has been met. So immediately you wait for the green line to cross below the red line, then you go in for your sell, all right? And you have to hold till it gets to our oversold level here, and then you exit the market and you look for the next opportunity to present itself. Okay, so that is how simple the strategy is. All right, that's how simple the strategy is. Okay, so this thing is very simple if you are willing to be patient and apply the strategy the way it is explained. Okay, you need to be patient, apply risk management, all right, stay disciplined, and over time I promise you, you are going to make money with this strategy. Okay, forex trading is not that hard, but the problem is that people tend to be greedy and they allow their emotion to take a hold over them. Okay, so if you're a beginner and you want to learn forex trading the proper way, all right, I have a mentorship class and I have a mentorship video that will help you with your journey. Okay, so make sure to message me. All right, if you are watching from TikTok, make sure to message me, and if you are watching from WhatsApp, then you check the description of this video, you are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get started. Okay, so that is that for that. All right, for those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, the link is also in the description of this video. Make sure to click on it and join my Telegram channel so that you get my free signals. All right, I send free signals on daily basis that will help you grow without you stressing yourself to take or do your analysis by yourself. Okay, so that is that about that. Okay, that's that about that. And for those of you who have not yet come from my strategy, the boom and crash strategy is a very powerful strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. All right, so if you are interested in getting the strategy, you can message me also. All right, my WhatsApp contact is in the description of this video, or you can message me to give you my WhatsApp number. Okay, so if you're interested, you just message me and we'll discuss on that. Okay, so that's that about that. All right, so for this strategy, I want you guys to practice very well before you go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, don't just take my words for it. Make sure to practice very well. Make sure that you have practiced and you see that the strategy is working for you before you go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, okay, so that is that about that. Let me share quickly with you guys the indicator setup and we are done with this video. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is that you click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, you search for your moving average. All right, now before you search for the moving average, you click on the main window plus icon here, right? Then you search for your moving average, and these are the properties for the moving average. The period is 200, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to its close, the level you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame, the style you make it color white, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Right, so you click on done, you are going to see this white line here on your main chart. All right, now for this one, you click on the main window plus icon again. All right, then you search for your stochastic oscillator. All right, now these are the properties for the stochastic oscillator. The care period is 5, D period is 3, slowing is 3, price field is low high, method is simple, the levels you set it to 85 and 15. Under the style you make the color red, right, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Now the time frame is all time frame. The style you make it, under the style you make the main color green, 3 pixel. The signal you make it color red, 3 pixel, and you click on done. All right, so once you have set everything correctly as I've just explained it, you are going to have a screen like this one here. Okay, so like I earlier said, make sure you practice very well with the strategy and confirm by yourself that the strategy is working for you before you go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, don't just take my words for it. I'm not the market maker. Make sure you have practiced and you confirm that the strategy is working for you before you put your money in the market. Okay, so that's it guys. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you over out.